How to create random storms in Fortnite Creative. Alright, so what you have to do firstly is go in the middle of your map. So like right here is good. I'll just go up a little bit. Then once you're up like here, just click on settings. Now you're gonna have to go to island settings. Then once you're in island settings, you have to go to content right here. Then once you're in content, you have to go to devices. Then once you're in devices, you have to search up advanced. And you have to click on this one right here where it says advanced storm controller. Just click on place now. And you're gonna have to place it in the middle of the map, so like right here. Now go towards it. Click on customize. Now go on the first tab. This one right here is gonna be yes. Put this to 200. Now go on the second one. On the second one, for this one, just put yes. For this one, put 150. So just go down. For the delay time, put it as 0. And for the bound radius, make sure it's the same as right here. So put 150. Now you're gonna have to go back to your island settings. Go back to devices. So go to content. Go back. Go to devices. Then once you're here, search up advanced. Now you're gonna get an advanced storm controller beacon. You're just gonna place it over here. Then once you place it, just go here, click on customize. For the name, put like zone. So zone, click on OK. Go back, customize again. For the storm radius, put at 150 because that's the controller beacon we put before. Now go on the second one. For the wait time, just put like 15 seconds. For the damage level, put like whatever you want to. I'll just click on OK. Boom. Now take out your phone again, cut it, and you're gonna have to put it right on this or like right under it. So right under it, like right here. Wait, boom. A little bit. I gotta move it again a little bit. So right under is like, cut it again, move it right under it. So like right here, a little bit up right here, and that's perfect. Just click on OK. Now if I start my game, just wait a few minutes, and I have random zones all over the map as you guys can see. So there's one right there, one right there. So I'm gonna try to go outside of it and see if I take any damage for you guys. So I'm gonna go outside, Boom, I have shockwaves, I'm forgetting that. Boom. So as you guys can see right now, I'm outside the zone and I'm taking 1 damage. So that's how you set up random zones in Fortnite Creative. If this video helped, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.